Nyakwaramgajwang' riwruok moro marawere motisi ni Swahiba Network ochako chenro mar rito aluora makoro geto kuonde tiegruok mantiere kaunti ma Siaya. Ratije mar riwruogno Peter Bungu wacho ni gichano tiyo kanyakla gi Skunde kod kuonde tiegruok mar bero aluora e kaunti no. Bungu wacho ni gisechako chenro e sub kaunti ma Lagos Songa kama gitiyo gi Skunde Primar ma Kirindo, Baragulu, Usingo, Agoro Lie kod Asere Primar kama koro gigeto pidho yiende mar 5,000 jumani. Nowuok kinde chaka yanga chenro no e Skunde Primar ma Kirindo kama no Usingo tiyo kanyakla gi jodak e kaunti no mar jiwo pith mar yien. Riwruogno geto tiyo gi kit somo manyasani mano mar CBC e bero aluora e kaunti no.
To have our visitors and partners from cyber networks whom have been working with them closely from last year. Last year, they're on health. They brought for our children pairs of shoes, each of them, around 700 pairs, and we want to appreciate that.
Swahiba Network is an organization that has really come to change the image of this community. Having said this, within just 2 years, Swahiba Youth Networks has done a lot to this community. Today we are launching a tree planting initiative. This is an initiative that is very important, as you may be aware that creating a cleaner, greener environment is one way that we can protect we can prevent diseases caused by germs as a result of poor human waste management.
Today we are in Kirindo Primary School in Siaya County, and we are working with grade 4 and 5 to educate them, but also to help them understand that it is our collective role as a community to take care of the environment by planting trees, by taking care of those trees and having conversations that cause us to think and change our behaviors towards environmental conservation.